both of us. The leaves have already turned orange up there. Down here it's still 80 degrees. I long for the way you looked at my hair, how your secret touch draw me to my knees. You're 786 miles from your house to mine, an impossible distance from the lakes to the Georgia pines. Some days we're just memories written in the dust, but some nights it's raining on both of us. You'll be getting snow by the time our leaves change, snuggled up to her by a cozy fire. Do you think of me or sometimes say my name? Flashbacks to catching one another's eyes. 786 miles from your house to mine, an impossible distance from the lakes to the Georgia pines. Some days we're just memories written in the dust, some nights it's raining on both of us. Do you even miss me? Do I cross your mind? Have I really waited in so little time? Could you really have been mine? 'Cause you're 786 miles from your house to mine, an impossible distance from your lake to these Georgia pines. Some days we're nothing more than memories in the dust, but baby, some nights it's raining on both of us. Yeah, the rain, it falls down on both of us. Can you feel it?